Welcome dear students, I am Rupa Saroj, facilitator of the Millennium School. In today's session, I am going to introduce you some sports activities in different three parts. With the use of these sports activities, you can enhance your physical fitness without sports equipment during this lockdown period. So let's have a look on sports activities. Fitness with fun for students. And the first part is rhythmic jumping exercise. Second part, stepping exercise. And third, fitness with 12 recreational activities. And the objective behind this, to enhance physical fitness by achieving speed, endurance, coordination, strength and flexibility. So my dear students, let's start our today's session. Welcome dear students, I am Rupa Saroj and today I am here to introduce you some steps of jumping exercise. My dear students, with the practice of this jumping exercise, you can enhance your cardiovascular endurance capacity. So let's start our today's session with the jumping exercise. Students, while performing this jumping exercise, you have to keep some points in your mind. Whenever you are going to perform this exercise, the surface, it should be grassy field or we can say clay field, so that you can get the proper result of jumping exercise without hurting ankle and knee bones. So that get ready. So let's start our today's session. My dear students, I am giving demo on the floor, but please keep in mind you have to perform this exercise on grassy field or clay field, not on the floor. Jumping exercise is jumping jacks. For this, stand proper and the number of 1, jump 1, 2, like this, okay? 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, change. Start second exercise. For this, the same way you have to open your hands and legs and come on the center. From here, you have to take forward one leg and hand, then come back on the center. So this thing you have to repeat 1, 2, 3 and 4. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and change. Third exercise of jumping. So how to do? The same way, but we have to go right and left side. So 1 and center, 2 and center. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and change. Now fourth exercise of jumping. So how to do? You have to up their knee in a jumping way. How? See, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, this way. The same opposite leg also, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Small jump will be here also on the opposite leg. So how to do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, change, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and change. Now let's start fifth exercise for jumping session. How to do? In this exercise we have to kick our legs on the right or left side. How to do? See, 1 and come on the point, then 2 and come on the point. In a jumping way, how to perform? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and change. Start our sixth exercise of this session, jumping session. For this, keep your leg one forward, one back, and which is forward leg, it will lift in the forward, and the backward it will lift with the back arm. So how to do? Keep your hands in a running position and 1, 2, 3 and 4 in a jumping way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 eight, eight, seven, six, five, four, three, two, and change exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and change. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and change. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and change. Dear students, as you have seen, it was a session of jumping exercise in which you have learned different kind of jumping exercise and how we have to perform sequentially in a rhythm that jumping exercise. Try to perform it at a grassy area or we can say clay area and keep yourself healthy always. Thank you. Welcome my dear students, I am Rupa Saroj and today I am here to teach you some stepping exercise. Through this exercise you can enhance your stamina, your speed, your agility. So in today's session you are going to learn stepping exercise. My dear student, as I have told you, whenever you are going to start any sports activity, before that you have to get warm-up exercise. So let's start that today's session with the jogging. I'm going to tell you how you have to get warm-up yourself with a minimum of stairs. So first step is jogging. How you have to do? Start your jogging from here only. 1, 2, 3. Then go again. Yes. Again. Again. Going to perform this exercise, you have to keep your hands in a running position. Your right side, it should be in front of your body. You can start this exercise with your powerful left, which you want. If you want to start from the left, you can start from the left. If you want to start from the right, it's your choice. I'm going to start from the right. 1, then again the left should also come with the right. Now again right is going to down. Now left is also going to down. So how to do? 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Then how? 1. Yes. This is your right side. It should be in the forward, hands in the running position. This is your stepping exercise. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Teach you stepping exercise. In this exercise, you have to take both the steps together, up and down, up and down. Be careful. You have to keep your flat foot properly on the stair. Don't keep your half step. You have to keep your flat foot properly on the stair. So how to do? Jump and jump. Jump. It should be. Now we are going to do the same exercise, but it should be in the sideway position. First leg up and second leg also up. Down and down. So take your position, running position, high, front and start. Same exercise we are going to perform from the right side. How? Step and step. Down and down. Same. And up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Now we have to take the same step one by one. How? Up and down, jump and jump. Keep in knowledge, when you are going to take step, your foot should be flat on the stair. No, it should not be half. Okay, So start. One. Keep your hands in a running position. My dear student, as you have seen, it was a session of stepping exercise which is going to enhance your speed, agility and your endurance. So perform this exercise at your home and keep yourself fit. Welcome dear students, I am Rupa Saroj and today I am here to introduce you some sports activities, and the name of the session is Fitness the Recreational Activity. So let's start our So my dear students, let's start our first activity, and the name of our first activity is shuttle run. For this we require starting line and the finishing line. From the starting line, you have to take 7 walking steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And something you have to place. This is finishing point. For the shuttle run, you require some newspaper, and with the newspaper we are going to make 6 balls, solid balls. Now, just carry it and throw them. Mostly, this is 1 ball, 6 balls. For the demonstration of the shuttle run, at the junior marks, on the command of on your marks, we have to be on the starting line. Get set, and go. Run
ऊंचों में
and place
गलियों
1
में,
ball. Come
राशन
back,
की
pick
गलियों
1
में,
ball and
बैलों में बीजों में, ईदों में बीजों में, रेतों के दानों में, फिल्मों के गानों में, सड़कों के गड्ढों में, बातों के अड्डों में, भूखा रोज भर ले 10-12 बार कर ले, रहना न यार पीछे कितना भी कोई खींचे, बस है नामस है जी, जिद है तो जिद है जी, किसना यूं ही बस करिए, कोई तो चल के भगिए।
our second exercise. The name of the second exercise is side with throw. And for this exercise, you have to place all the 20 balls. Here it is 20. This is 20 balls. These are the center. So from the center, you have to take 1 step and mark here 1 ball. And again, sideways, here also mark 1 ball. Now you scatter all 10 ball this side and 10 ball on the right side. So I'm keeping here also 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 10 are here. Now, my dear, you have to be in the center, and from the center you have to place 1 basket on the 2 walking steps. Basket should be here. Now, let's get ready for the demo. At the junior marks, get set and go. 1,
ऊंचों में गलियों में, राशन की फलियों में, बैलों में बीजों में, ईदों में बीजों में, रेतों के दानों में, फिल्मों के गानों में, सड़कों के गड्ढों में, बातों के अड्डों में, भूखा रोज भर ले 10-12 बार कर ले, रहना न यार पीछे कितना भी कोई खींचे, तस है नामस है जी, जिद है तो जिद है जी, किसना यूं ही पिसना यूं ही पिसना यूं ही बस करिए, कोई तो चल जिद पड़िए।
so this way. Let's start our next activity. Roll your body. For this, you have to place 3 balls on the starting line and on the command of the 3 junior marks. Get
कूचों में गलियों में राशन की फलियों में बैलों में बीजों में ईदों में दीजों में रेतों के दानों में फिल्मों के गानों में सड़कों के गड्ढों में बातों के अड्डों में भूखा रोज भर ले 10-12 बार कर ले रहना न यार पीछे कितना भी कोई खींचे तस है नामस है जी जिद है तो जिद है जी किसना यूं ही पिसना यूं ही पिसना यूं ही पत्थर है कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए हाय कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए चक दे हो चक दे गिरिया चक दे हो चक दे गिरिया
Start our next activity, the class. For this, you have to place 6 classes. There should be in each class. And for this, athlete own your mark.
कूचों में गलियों में राशन की फरियों में बैलों में बीजों में ईदों में दीजों में रेतों के दानों में फिल्मों के गानों में सड़कों के गड्ढों में बातों के अड्डों में भूखा रोज भर ले 10-12 बार कर ले रहना न यार पीछे कितना भी कोई खींचे तस है नामस है जी जिद है तो जिद है जी किसना यूं ही पिसना यूं ही पिसना यूं ही पत्थर है कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए हाय कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए चक दे हो चक दे गिरिया 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 लड़ती पतंगों में कूचों में गलियों में राशन की फलियों में बैलों में बीजों में ईदों में दीजों में रेतों के दानों में फिल्मों के गानों में सड़कों के गड्ढों में बातों के अड्डों में भूखा रोज भर ले 10-12 बार कर ले रहना न यार पीछे कितना भी कोई खींचे तस है नामस है जी जिद है तो जिद है जी किसना यूं ही पिसना यूं ही पिसना यूं ही पत्थर है कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए हाय कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए चक दे हो चक दे गिरिया 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 लड़ती पतंगों में कूचों में गलियों में
With the glasses and with pillow. For this, you have to place this pillow in between the knees and 3 balls you have to pick one by one. So let's start. Athlete took the marks, pick one ball and go zigzag way.
कूचों में गलियों में राशन की फलियों में बैलों में बीजों में ईदों में दीजों में रेतों रेतों के दानों में, फिल्मों के गानों में, सड़कों के गड्ढों में, बातों के अड्डों में घूमता रोज भर।
And this. Let's start our next activity. For this we require one small bedsheet or we can take one small dupatta. And you have to place on the starting line. This way. After placing this on the starting line, place yourself in the center and hold from the back. This way. And from the ball front also. This way. So that it can be. You can hold tight from the side and pick one ball. Now we are going to place this ball on the finishing line. This way. Tight,
ऊंचों में
tight.
गलियों में,
This way.
राशन की फलियों में,
And place it
बैलों
here.
में बीजों में, ईदों में दीजों में, रेतों के दानों में, फिल्मों के गानों में, सड़कों के गड्ढों में, बातों के अड्डों में घूमता रोज भर ले, 10-12 बार कर ले, रहना न यार पीछे, कितना भी कोई खींचे, टस है ना मस है जी, जिद है तो जिद है जी, किसना यूं ही पिसना यूं ही पिसना यूं ही पत्थर है। कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए, तू बेटरिए या मरिए, हाय कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए, तू बेटरिए या मरिए, चक दे हो चक दे गिलिया, चक दे हो चक दे गिलिया, चक दे हो चक दे गिलिया, चक दे।
Newspaper. Now let's start next activity and for this we require again 3 balls. Rolling on the floor. Pick one ball and
ऊंचों में गलियों में, राशन की फलियों में, बैलों में बीजों में, ईदों में दीजों में, रेतों के दानों में, फिल्मों के गानों में, सड़कों के गड्ढों में, बातों के अड्डों में घूमता रोज भर ले, 10-12 बार कर ले, रहना न यार पीछे, कितना भी कोई खींचे, टस है ना मस है जी, जिद है तो जिद है जी, किसना यूं ही पिसना यूं ही पिसना यूं ही पत्थर है। कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए, तू बेटरिए या मरिए, हाय कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए, तू बेटरिए या मरिए, चक दे हो चक दे गिलिया, चक दे हो चक दे गिलिया, चक दे हो चक दे गिलिया, चक दे हो चक दे गिलिया।
starting, finishing and the center. And you have to place all the ball in the center. So now what you are going to do? When on the command of athlete on your marks, you have to pick one ball and first you have to go towards start line and place the ball on the starting line. And from there, pick the one and go on the finishing line. So this way you have to place all.
ऊंचों में गलियों में, राशन की फलियों में, बैलों में बीजों में, ईदों में दीजों में, रेतों के दानों में, फिल्मों के गानों में, सड़कों के गड्ढों में, बातों के अड्डों में घूमता रोज भर ले, 10-12 बार कर ले।
So my dear students, with the use of these kind of sports activities, you can enhance your physical fitness during this lockdown period. So keep yourself healthy and be fit. Thank you.